Listen to me, boy. It baffles me. No, it disgusts me that most men, maybe even you, willingly march toward their own destruction, like cattle walking straight into the slaughterhouse. You have made peace with being harmless. You have made peace with being weak, with being comfortable, and all you're doing is signing your own damn death sentence. Society, the media, this pathetic modern world, they've done a remarkable job at manipulating you, stripping you of everything that makes a man dangerous. They have turned you into something spineless, something laughable. They have painted the word dangerous as something evil, and you, like a fool, have bought into their lies. But let me tell you something. Danger is power, real power. You can be dangerous in a positive way or in a destructive way, but they don't want that. No, they want you to be harmless. They want you to be a pathetic little worm writhing in the dirt, controlled, predictable, powerless. Ask yourself this: why should you be dangerous? Why the hell should I, your father, tell you to embrace danger instead of running from it like a coward? If you can't answer that, if you can't grasp the necessity of danger, then you might as well stop listening right now, because nothing else I say will matter. We live in a cruel world, a world that rewards women just for existing, just for being beautiful. But you as a man are only worth what you build. Strength, success, status, wealth, none of that will ever be handed to you. None of that can be achieved unless you become dangerous. And don't mistake what I'm saying. I'm not talking about simply being able to throw a punch or looking like a beast. That's just the surface. Being dangerous starts with something far deeper, something most men will never understand. And that's where you're going to fail, unless you listen to every word I say. Step 1, discipline your body. Most of you don't even have control over the simplest thing in your life, your own damn body. That's why most of you won't even make it through this speech. Not because you can't, but because you've let your body own you for so long. You don't know what it's like to have true power over it. Your eyes wander where they shouldn't. You give in to porn, to alcohol, to drugs. You indulge in every temptation like a pathetic slave. You think you control your body? What a joke. When has a servant ever commanded their master? You can never achieve greatness while you are a servant to your own flesh. Never. I'll say it again. Never. As long as your body dictates your actions, as long as you obey your urges like some mindless animal, you are powerless. How do you change this? Simple. But I warn you, it's going to hurt. When your body tells you to stop watching this speech, ignore it. When your body tells you to take the easy road, do the opposite. Write down what needs to be done every single day. Follow it. No excuses. And when you fail, because you will fail, punish your body. Skip meals. Take ice-cold showers. Wake up an hour earlier and run until your legs burn. Beat the weakness out of yourself. Bend your body to your will. That's how you take control. That's how you break free. Step 2, hate comfort. Despise it, crucify it. Comfort is your greatest enemy. It is a poison that will rot you from the inside out while you sit there smiling like an idiot, pretending everything is fine. Too many men are comfortable being weak. They're comfortable being broke. Comfortable having no future, no ambition, no drive. They have accepted mediocrity as their fate. If you want to be like them, fine. But if you have even an ounce of dignity left, you need to hate where you are. You need to loathe the man you see in the mirror every morning. Only when you can't stand the sight of yourself will you have the drive to change. And let me make something crystal clear. No change comes without suffering. No change comes without discomfort. If you want to stay in your little bubble of weakness, go ahead. But if you want to become something greater, something unbreakable, then you must learn to be uncomfortable every single damn day. Never settle. Never let yourself get complacent just because you completed one task. Make it your life mission to be relentless. That is the only way you will become unstoppable. Step 3, conquer in the shadows. Most men are open books, weak, predictable. Their every move can be read from a mile away. That is not a dangerous man. That is a fool. A man who conquers in the shadows is a true predator. A man who moves in silence, who lets his results speak for him, is a man who commands respect. Why do lions rule the jungle? It's not just because of their strength. It's their mystery, their patience. They strike from the shadows. You don't see them until it's too late. But most of you parade your every thought, your every plan, like an open Bluetooth speaker for the world to hear. And then you wonder why no one respects you, why your words carry no weight. Move in silence. Improve in silence. Let them see you only when the work is done. If you're going to the gym, don't tell a soul. Just do it and let your body prove it. If you're building a business, keep your mouth shut. Let your success do the talking. This isn't about being antisocial. It's about eliminating distraction. You, your goals, and nothing else. Step 4. Retain your power. A man who wastes his energy on pointless indulgences is a man destined for failure. Retain your strength. Keep your power. Do not squander it on screens, on meaningless pleasures, on women who bring nothing to your life but destruction. A man who retains his energy, his discipline, his essence, that man is unstoppable. That man radiates something different, something powerful. The world can sense it, and they fear it. When you are truly dangerous, people won't need to be told. They will feel it when you walk into the room. This is just the beginning. Everything I've told you is just the foundation, the first step. There is so much more. But before I tell you what comes next, I want you to look at yourself. Really look. Are you ready to change? Are you ready to suffer for something greater? Or are you just another weak, spineless boy pretending he wants to be a man? I leave that choice to you.